What if a simple Shopify coupon could instantly increase your conversions and your average order value? Don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create automatic discounts and coupon codes to discount your products. Let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to show you how to create a simple coupon code on Shopify. This is a code you can provide to your customers, and when they go to purchase a product, they can insert this code to get a percentage off their order. On your Shopify sidebar, you're going to see the section that says discounts, and you're going to want to click on this. When you click create discount, you can select which type of discount you're creating. I'm going to click on amount off order. It's going to open a page where you can select all of the settings for the discount that you're creating. Under method, I've selected discount code. You want to choose this if you're not creating an automatic discount that's going to apply to your products. But if you want to provide certain customers this code, they'll be able to use it for a discount. Then you can type in the discount code name, or you can have it generate a discount code name for you. You want to keep your code simple and easy to provide to your customers. This is the code that your customers will insert at checkout to apply the coupon. Next, you can choose the percentage off of the discount. So you can select fixed amount if you want to give someone like a $5 off or $10 off, and then you can also select percentage. Then you can choose which customers you would like to be eligible to use this coupon. You can choose customers based on your markets. So this could be domestic or international customers. You can choose which customers are eligible based on their segments on your website. So I just selected customer segments. So when I click browse, it shows me different types of customers, like customers who haven't purchased yet, or email subscribers, and customers who have abandoned their checkouts in the last 30 days. You can also select specific customers if you just want to search by your customers. And I'm going to set this to all customers. That way, anybody that uses the coupon is going to work. You can choose if you want there to be a minimum purchase requirement. So for example, if I select minimum purchase amount and I set this to $100, that means customers will have to be ordering at least $100 worth of product in order for this 25% off coupon to work. You can also do minimum quantity of items as well. Now under the maximum discount uses, you can limit how many times you want customers to be able to use this coupon code, or you can limit it to one use per customer so that if one customer uses this code to purchase a product and then they come back later, they won't be able to use the code again. Now you're going to see the combinations field. You can choose which other discounts you would like this coupon code to be able to pair with. Right before you set the dates, you want to scroll up and then you'll be able to see an overview of the settings that you've set for the discount so you can make sure it's exactly how you need it to be. I'm going to scroll down and then you can choose a start date and a start time for your discount. So it can be the moment that you're publishing it right now, or if you would like this to become active later, you can select a date. You can also set an end date for when you would like this coupon code to be unavailable. Then to save that discount, you're just going to click save. And you can paste it and provide it to customers and future customers on social media. Also, if you're a new user with Shopify, I have a sign-up discount you can use to get a free trial with Shopify. Then once that trial ends, you can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. This way you have enough time to set up your store and get adjusted to the platform without having to pay or commit to a long-term plan just yet. I'm going to put that sign-up link in the description box below. Let's test your coupon code to make sure that it works. I'm here inside my theme editor, and I'm first going to open up a product. And if you have some products listed, you can open up one of your products to test the coupon code and make sure that it works at checkout. You want to make sure that the product that you're adding to your cart fits the qualifications of the coupon code that you just made. Then I'm going to click checkout, and here in the discount code field, I just type in that coupon code and I'm going to click apply, and you'll see that it has taken 25% off of the order total. A bonus hack for if you guys would like to display your coupon code on your website, you can add the code to your announcement bar. This way, when customers are first on your website, they're going to see on your announcement bar that coupon code that you're welcoming them to your store with. And by the way, guys, this clothing website that you see in this video is a Shopify theme template. The hassle that it takes to customize a default theme can take a lot of time from your store setup process. This website has a variety of Shopify theme templates for different business types like clothing, cosmetic, hair, jewelry, and more. And using a theme helps you to save days of time from creating your entire website from scratch. Every theme includes an installation guide to show you step-by-step how to install it. Just open your online store page and then click import. Then when you click upload zip file, this is where you're going to upload your theme and you'll be able to customize and publish your theme. This website will be in the description box below. Now let's create a whole shop discount or an automatic discount code you can apply to multiple products. Click on discounts, then click create discount. I'm going to click amount off products. Then you can choose if you would like this to be a discount code or an automatic discount. I'm going to set this to automatic discount. You can title your discount name. I titled this Black Friday 75. This way customers know it's going to be a Black Friday deal for probably around 75% off. And just like with the coupon, you're going to fill in the rest of the details for your automatic discount. So I'm going to add in the percentage of the discount. And the best part about creating an amount off products to discount is that you can choose which specific products and specific collections that you want to be included in this automatic discount. So let's say you don't want your entire shop to be 75% off, but you want a specific collection to be. Set this to specific collection and then click Browse. Now you'll be able to select which collections you want to include. You can also set it to specific products so that you can discount specific products inside your website. I've selected specific collections and I'm going to select a few of my product collections. Now I'm going to scroll down and I've set the eligibility to all customers. There's going to be no minimum purchase requirement. And just to show you an example of when you set an end date, I'm going to select set an end date for this discount, and then I'm going to add in a date. Now click save to go ahead and save that discount. Now when customers are on your website, when they open a product, they're going to see the original price of the product. Then when they add it to their cart, they're going to see the automatic discount applied on their cart. This way they don't have to insert any kind of coupon code. And for this coupon, you can put a note on your website, somewhere like on your announcement bar, to let your customers know what the discount is and that it's automatically going to apply at checkout. To remove a discount after you created it, just select the discount and then you can click deactivate discount or delete discounts. I'm going to deactivate this discount. And the last type of discount I'm going to show you how to create is one that's going to have a sale badge on all your products that you've included. With this method, when your customer actually first sees the product and even clicks on it, they're going to see the original price of it and then they're going to see the discounted price. That way they automatically know what the discount is and that the product is on sale. With this method, on Shopify, you want to click on your products tab. Then you can open up one of your products and then scroll down until you see the price field for the product. I'm going to click this arrow drop down until you see the compare at price. The retail price of this product is $19.99. So I just put that in for the compare at price. And then for the actual price, you're going to put the discounted dollar amount. So I put $9.99. Then click save. This way, when you go on to preview that product, this is something like what your customers would see when they're looking at the product. So they're going to see that sale badge. They're going to see the original price of the product and the price that you have it set to. This way, your customers will know right off the bat that the product is on sale. And if you need to do that in bulk for multiple of your products, all you need to do is just select multiple of your products, all the ones that you want to discount, and then just click the bulk edit button, which will open the page where you can edit all of your products in bulk, including those prices for the product. So I'm just going to click on columns and select this compare at price box, which is going to add the compare at price to the bulk editing options. So what I'm going to do is set the compare at price to the retail price for the product. So the usual product's price. You can also drag this bar down if you want to apply that number to all of your products. Then put the discounted price of the product here under base price. And then just drag the bar down if you want to bulk apply that number to all your products. And then you can click save. This way, when customers are browsing through your products, they're automatically going to see the ones that are discounted when they look at these price fields. I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.